Earth is a home to countless species, and wildlife plays an important role in balancing the environment. It can be found in ecosystems, deserts, rainforests, plains, and other areas. World Wildlife Day is observed annually on March 3rd to celebrate and raise awareness of the world's flora and fauna and discuss the threats they are facing and the urgent need for governments, civil society, private sector, actors, and individuals to add their voices and take actions to help conserve wildlife and ensure its continued use is sustainable. World Wildlife Day 2021 will specifically focus on the theme of forests and livelihood, sustaining people and planet, as a way to highlight the central role of forest species, and ecosystem services in sustaining the livelihood of hundreds of millions of people globally, and particularly of indigenous and local communities with historic ties to forested and forest adjacent areas. The day is all about raising awareness about wildlife and educating people about the diversity and importance of flora and fauna across the world. The visionary Prime Minister of our nation, Narendra Modi, has understood the value of conservation. In his Mann Ki Baat radio broadcast on last Sunday, he praised the people of pole-bound Assam for their conservational efforts, starting with the water baths in Kaziranga to turtles in temple ponds. The conservational efforts of leading temples in the state play a pivoting role in the protection of the nature.
अभी 2-3 सप्ताह पहले ही सर्वे फिर हुआ है। आपको भी ये जानकर खुशी होगी कि इस बार जल पक्षियों की संख्या पिछले वर्ष की तुलना में करीब 175% ज्यादा आई है। इस सेंसस के दौरान काजीरंगा नेशनल पार्क में बर्ड्स की कुल 112 स्पीशीज को देखा गया है। इनमें से 58 स्पीशीज यूरोप, सेंट्रल एशिया और ईस्ट एशिया सहित दुनिया के विभिन्न हिस्सों से आए विंटर माइग्रेंट्स है। इसका सबसे महत्वपूर्ण कारण यह है कि यहाँ बेहतर वाटर कंजर्वेशन होने के साथ ह्यूमन इंटरफियरेंस बहुत कम है।
If you take a look at our temples, you will find that every temple has a pond in the vicinity. The Haigriv Madhav temple at Hajo, the Nag Shankar temple at Sonitpur, and the Ugratara temple at Guwahati have many such ponds nearby. They are being used to save near extinct species of turtle. Assam is home to the highest number of species of turtles. The pond of these temples have become excellent sites for their conservation and breeding and training about them, Modi said. Prime Minister Narendra Modi on this day has appealed the countrymen to ensure protection of animals and preserve forests and safe habitats for them. On March 3rd, we are to celebrate forest-based livelihoods and seek to promote forest and forest wildlife management models and practices that accommodate both human well-being and long-term conservation of forest-dwelling species of wild fauna and flora and the ecosystem they sustain in, and promote the value of traditional practices and knowledge that contribute to establishing a more sustainable relationship with these crucial nature systems.